Most people don't understand nuclear power as a whole.
A nuclear power plant. Text, Understanding Nuclear Power and Radiation Protection. Chattanooga State Community College.
Nuclear, just the term nuclear can be intimidating because everyone thinks nuclear, Chernobyl, bombs, boom.
Dr. Tremaine Powell, ChattState Dean of Engineering and Information Technologies.
No.
A lot of people fear it.
Terry Newman, ChattState Associate Professor, AAS Engineering Technology, Nuclear Power ET.
Because of its association with nuclear weapons, and it's nothing to do with nuclear weapons.
It's scientifically one of the most studied natural phenomena that we have. Because of that,
Mark A. Palmer, ChattState Professor, AAS Applied Science, General Engineering.
We go over and beyond the control to make sure you have no detectable biological effect whatsoever. And you out in the general world are exposed to more stuff on a daily basis than I ever will be at a nuclear power plant.
The engineering technology degree is a degree that provides our students with the fundamentals to enter the nuclear power industry.
Students listen to lectures in a lab setting and work with digital and mechanical components associated with nuclear power.
Radiation protection is a profession dedicated to the protection of man and the environment from the effects of ionizing radiation. There's a plethora of companies that deal with radioactive material, and radiation protection is that profession that controls, monitors, protects the workers from dealing with radioactive material.
Students wearing protective gear practice crisis intervention and testing.
You get to learn stuff that you would never think about.
Laurel Crawley, ChattState, graduating May 2025, AAS Engineering Technology, Radiation Protection.
Not only how the plant works, but how the world works, because you get to learn about atoms, you get to learn about on molecular levels of things that go on every single day that you wouldn't even think about.
We did do survey labs.
Kylie Brady, ChattState, graduating May 24, AAS Engineering Technology, Radiation Protection.
So we actually got to pretend that we were walking into a contaminated area or a radiation area and survey it, as you would do in a nuclear power plant.
I love doing hands-on stuff. I love being in the lab. I love making things turn colors. I like putting it all together.
We think of helping others as a nurse.
Samantha Travis, ChattState Class of 2014, Radiation Protection, Nuclear Engineering Technician / Deputy RSO, Tennessee Technological University.
But radiation protection is helping a lot of different people. Not only have a safe job, but we're also helping people have electricity.
How we provide power to the city and the surrounding areas. It's run by nuclear, and a lot of people don't even realize that.
The Nuclear Power Engineering Technology program is focused on preparing people to operate equipment, to monitor equipment, to understand how nuclear power plant systems work, to understand how a nuclear reactor works. We cover topics from engineering communications all the way to reactor theory.
I've enjoyed learning about all the components that make up a nuclear plant.
Jay Wells, ChattState, graduating May 25, AAS Engineering Technology, Nuclear Power ET.
And it's just really an engineering masterpiece, a nuclear plant is, and I love it.
Probably our most significant training aid we have now is the nuclear power plant simulation. It exactly replicates what the plant is. It has all the same systems, it has all the same switches, all the same indications.
At ChattState, you have the opportunity to do internships to where you can actually see what you're doing.
Jalen Ellis, ChattState, graduating May 25, AAS Engineering Technology, Nuclear Power ET.
You can get a feel of how it would look day to day. It kind of lit a spark to, like, you can actually do this.
So I had an internship with TVA, the exact job I'm doing now.
Austin Choate, ChattState Class of 2023, Nuclear Power ET, Nuclear Student Generating Plant Operator, TVA What's-Bar Nuclear.
I interned with the same guys. So I got to do their job for a month. I got to go on swing shift, see what that was like, experience everything they experience. I mean, everything that you look at here translates there.
From graduating and then going into the workforce, I think they prepared us very well and made that transition really easy.
Most of our students can leave here, become technicians, making the minimum $85,000, $90,000 a year.
These job offers are unbelievable. They're six figures starting out with a 2-year degree.
If you're almost guaranteed a job and it's incredibly safe, why would you not do it?
And it's only school for 2 years. And if you do Tennessee Promise like I am, then you don't have to pay a whole lot of money just to get that degree.
It truly is a career path. You can take yourself wherever you want to go.
You wonder, is this degree actually going to help me learn anything? Is it worth taking this time to learn this in class? It is absolutely worth it.
Text ChattState AAS Engineering Technology, Nuclear Power Engineering Technology, Radiation Protection. Apply today. chattanoogastate.edu/apply. Paid for by TBR, the College System of Tennessee. Perkins Career and Technical Education.